Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 3D stock bar chart in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data, product name and total price. To create chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the first option, insert column or bar chart. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the last option 3D bar. There are three type of 3D bar is available and here you can see 3D stock bar is the second one. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the 3D stock bar is inserted. Okay, with the chart design tab and format tab. If you want to increase the size of the chart, just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the chart. Okay. And if you want to remove this title, go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the add charts elements option and click on the charts title, then click on the none. And that's it. Here you can see the title is removed. If you want to change the chart style, go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the different type of chart style available. So just keep cursor on it and see the changes over here and just click on to apply the chart style. Okay. If you want to change the layout, again go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the second option, quick layout, and here you can see the some layout is available. Okay. When you keep cursor on the layout, you can see the layout preview on chart. Just keep cursor on it and select those you want. So I select this one. Okay, so this is a way you can change the layout also. If you want to move chart sheet number 2, you can move it easily. Go to the chart design. In location, click on the move chart option and here you can see the one dialog box is open, move chart. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Click on the second option, objective. Sheet number 1, click on this drop down arrow and select here sheet number 2 to move this chart in sheet number 2. Just click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the in sheet number 2 chart is moved. In sheet number is 1, a chart is not available. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, simply click on the chart in chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. And here you can select the different type of chart type also. So here I select in bar chart, the selected chart here 3D stock bar. And here I change the chart type 3D 100% stock bar. And here you can see the preview of the 3D 100% stock bar. Just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see you can easily change the chart type also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.